magiging come-on para maging mag-member at magbayad ng annual fee kasi kailangan sa renewal. Hindi naman. Kaya nga sabi ko, it's not a challenge. But later on, after natin, ano yung mga dapat gawin ng IPO para ma-invite niya yung mga members na mag-participate, magbayad diligently ng annual fee. Di ba? Para ma-retain yung membership doon at maging active members ng IPO. So, yun yung kailangan. At yun yung naka-activan doon sa new guidelines po natin. And I hope, na siguro bago kami palitan. Kasi may important placement na po kami. Naroon na naman ng interview. There were, for your information, there were 17 nominees ang in-interview 2 weeks ago. Kaya, siguro, this is the last time that we're I don't know. So, it's panamin. Let's hope. And again, it's their decision naman. Palagi naman, it is based on trust and confidence ng appointing authority. Appointing authority is yung ating presidente. Alam niyo ba yun? Na yung ma-appoint ng board ng professional regulatory board, hindi po siya ina-appoint ng PRC or DOLE. Ang appointment po niya is galing sa presidente. Doon po yan. Presidente po ang nag-appoint. So, next po natin is, yan, himayin na po natin. Yung revised guidelines, tingnan nyo, no? Ito